Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to publish UGC items on Roblox. First, familiarize yourself with the Roblox UGC program requirements. This includes understanding the rules for item types and content. Next, focus on creating high-quality 3D assets. Your items should be unique and visually appealing to attract users. Finally, ensure your creations meet all of Roblox's technical specifications for successful integration. Once your asset is ready, design your item using your preferred 3D modeling software, ensuring it's optimized for Roblox. After creation, upload your finished asset directly to the Roblox platform through the Creator dashboard. Then, carefully configure all item details, including a clear name, a compelling description, and a competitive price in Robux. This step is crucial for visibility. After configuring your item, the next step is to submit it for Roblox's moderation review. This process ensures all items comply with their community standards. Be prepared to address any feedback or required adjustments promptly to avoid delays. Once approved, your item will be made public, allowing millions of users to discover and purchase it. With your item approved, it's time to monetize and promote. Set a fair and attractive price for your UGC item in Robux, considering its quality and market demand. Actively promote your creations within the Roblox community through social media, groups, and experiences to maximize visibility. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Engaging with players and gathering feedback can also help improve future designs and boost sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.